Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best CNC router that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best CNC router. A CNC machine can be programmed to cut a piece of material to precise specifications. The programmability means that you can produce identical products at scale. A CNC router allows you to create factory-grade millwork from your home garage. Number 5. CNC Sharq HD4. The first couple of routers on this list are going to be from Next Wave Automation. This company is blowing up the CNC industry with its depth of user-friendly tools. Main features: 25 by 25 by 7 table. Mini lathe available. Laser engraver adapter available. Number 4. Piranha Excel. One of the best CNC routers that you consider. In fact, it could likely be the only tool you consider. It's one of the most robustly made devices. Main features: professional grade CNC, 12x24x7xyz. Optional laser engraving. Number 3. JFT 3040 metal and stone router. Unlike the American models that rely heavily on the idea of a kit where you add the router to a frame and gantry system. Main features: built-in router with variable motor speed. Capable of cutting metal and stone. Z-axis travel up to 90 mm. Number 2. Bob's CNC III CNC Router Engraver Kit. It's a straightforward assembly. You are looking at less than a day to put the laser-cut, solid wood frame pieces together. Main features: a rigid laser-cut frame. SG20U supported rail system. GT2 belt drive on X and Y axis. Number 1. CNC 3018 PRO Hobby Router. This entire system runs on GRVL, which is an open software that controls how machines move. It was based on a code that was being used on Arduino boards. Main features: good educational tool. Spare parts included. Affordable entry into CNC. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.